What is going on YouTube? I want to take a little bit of time tonight and talk to y'all about the Brian Brown Yeager. The Brian Brown Yeager is available in several different configurations. Mine happens to be flipperless, no flipper. It is the EDC Foundry edition with Micarta. Several different iterations of this with or without flipper. But just a fantastic knife. Going to come in right about 7.5 inches overall length, 3.5 inch blade length roughly. Super deep hollow grind, but you guys know that those specs are available on other sites. If you want to take a look at them, feel free to jump out there and take a look at them. One thing I did want to go into is just give you all some quick size comparisons. So the Yeager next to the Cold Steel 4 Max, it's going to be smaller than the 4 Max. And then up against the Baby Banter, it's going to be bigger than the Baby Banter. Smaller than the 4 Max, bigger than the Baby Banter. And then some knives that we've all probably had in hand, the Benchmade Bug Out. It's really close to the same size as the Benchmade Bug Out. And the Spyderco Paramilitary 2. It's a little smaller than the Paramilitary 2, probably close to the PM3 size. I don't have one of those here as a specimen, but right around the same size as the Bug Out, but it's going to be a little heavier, coming in at over 4 ounces, 4.5 ounces. But since I'm not a hard user and have only cut paper with this knife and spent a little time cutting with this knife, carrying this knife, I can tell you how it makes me feel. It's a fantastic knife. It's a very well built knife by Riot. The fit and finish on it are, in my estimation, excellent. The action on it is excellent. The sounds, the acoustics are excellent. I imagine it will hold up in daily use very well. Cuts paper well, cuts cardboard well. The blade seems to hold up very well through going through cardboard. It's not marring it up, anything like that. So in terms of the Yeager M, yeah, it is definitely in my top 5 EDC knives. It's sitting right now at number 2, straddling the number 2 and number 1 spot with the Liang Ma field duty. But glad to share it with you guys. And before I let you go, just wanted to make sure that we look out for the person to our left, look out to the person to our right, agree to disagree. Most of all, love each other, and peace, guys. Hope everybody has a great weekend. Talk to you soon. Bye.